is from Africa, and it's supposed to bring forth rain, baby, rain. And here in Louisiana, Lord, we need some rain. Bring on the rain.
So if you didn't know, here in Louisiana, we are under a drought. Not only we are under a drought, we are having the Gulf of Mexico salt water enter into the Mississippi River, which interferes with our tap water. So the governor says there's no need to panic, but bottled water is being sold at a drastic rate. Everybody is getting their bottled water. I got mine, y'all. I got mine.